Hi, this is Sherri at Donnelly Ford. I'm here today with a Maverick Lariat. Come on, let's take a look inside. Both a convenience and a safety feature is the smart entry. As long as you have the fob with you, you can come up and put your hand in, the car will unlock, and you're able to open it. No more fumbling with keys. Inside, we have these beautiful two-tone leather seats. Generous back seat for your comfort. And with the pull of a tab, you can raise this seat to provide extra room. You have a couple of storage cabinets underneath as well, so if there's something you don't necessarily want to be sitting at wherever we can take a look at it, you have under-seat storage. Backseat passengers have plug-ins for their devices, so they don't have to be climbing over you while you're trying to drive to plug in their devices. There's a plug right here available in the back seat, which is super convenient whether you're trying to vacuum out your car or if there's something else you need to plug in, maybe an air pump or something, right there in the back seat available for your use. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see this, but there is blind spot monitoring on your side mirrors, and they are also heated. So in the winter, you just push a button and these defrost for you. And then as you're driving, you can tell if there's someone in your blind spot. It's a safety feature, helps to keep you from accidentally pulling into someone that you might not otherwise see. Inside, you have the convenience of push-button start. This also comes with a remote start. Both of your front seats are heated. Your steering wheel is also heated. Your economy, sport modes are available right at the touch of a fingertip. Idle stop, your traction assist, and your brake. And I'll explain to you in a minute how that brake works. More plugs up front, which allow you to plug in your devices, as well as a wireless charger for your convenience. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation. Now I'm going to explain to you about your brake assist button. So with your car in drive and your seatbelt clicked, let's say you're going through a drive-through, you may be in a line for the bank and you don't want to put your car in park, you can press your brake assist button. The brake light will come up on your dashboard and you can release the brake without moving forward. This is really a beautiful little truck. It's not full size, it's small, so you get great gas mileage, but you also get the convenience of having a truck available for when you need it. And the best price is, it's on sale. Come in and see Sherri at Donnelly Ford in Mount Vernon, Ohio.